TV.
Salamat, Joe.
O yan, buti nabuta namin sa Ate B na surprise ako nandito.
Salamat, syempre
Thank you po.
suporta.
Grabe si Ate B.
Suporta
Nung
siya.
last kasi, nag-expect sila ang dami namin, wala kayo.
Sa anything na I can support, anything to do na po pwedeng sumuporta sa industry, I will always be here.
We love you,
so much
Ate
po.
B.
We love you po.
Thank you
Ingat
sa
po kayo.
pasikis mo noon.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
See you again, ah.
See you, bye-bye.
Bait ni Ate B. Picture niya ni Ate B. Sa likod natin sa Ate B. Sa likod niya.
Na nandito po ngayon, sana po nag-pray ako kay Santo Niño, mabigyan din po ako. Kahit lang po konti. But once again, big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to this year's winners. It has truly been a fantastic night celebrating the unity of our industry, the triumphs of our colleagues, and the legacies of our icons. We are indeed one big family, lifting each other up and championing coexistence that thrive on diversity, mutual respect, and partnership toward fulfilling shared goals. On behalf of the Film Academy of the Philippines, our utmost gratitude to the Office of the President, FDCP, and